We usually recommend changing the tubes every 6 months, as they can get stiff and sound is unable to transfer through them as well. You can do this yourself at home using some basic equipment. If you don't already have spare tubes, you can follow the instructions in the back of your battery card and send a note requesting new tubes and we can send them out to you. Once you have your spare tubes, all you need is a few bits of basic equipment, including scissors, some pliers, and optionally some cutters. First step is to take the old tube out of the hearing aid by simply giving it a firm pull and it should pop out. You want to keep the old tube because you'll need this later on. You then take the new piece of tubing and your scissors and cut along the long end of the tube down to a point, being careful of your fingers as you do this. You then take the pointed end and push it into the back of your ear mould towards the part that goes in your ear. Push it all the way through until it starts to poke out the other end, and then you take your pliers and pull it the rest of the way. This can sometimes be quite tricky and may require a good hearty pull. But once it's pulled through, you want to see the tube at a right angle from your ear mould. This will ensure the hearing aid is in the correct position behind your ear. You now want to take your scissors or cutters and trim the tube that you've pulled through as flush as you can to the exit of the mould. The final step involves your old piece of tubing. You're going to use it to measure the correct length, to avoid the hearing aid falling off or being too tight behind your ear. Simply hold it up to the ear mould and cut to the old length. And that's it. That's how you retube your hearing aid.